For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
On the 18th of August, the WHO wrote to countries across the world requesting them to join its global shared vaccine program. The apex body has requested the countries to pool in their money into COVAX, the Global Vaccines Facility program. COVAX is vaccine facility program where wealthier countries would contribute to develop a COVID-19 vaccine and distribute it equitably around the world. COVAX is a vaccine pillar that aims to accelerate the development and manufacture of COVID-19 vaccine. Through this, WHO aims to deliver 2 billion doses of effective and approved COVID-19 vaccine by the end of 2021. The WHO is planning to vaccinate the frontline warriors in the first wave of the vaccination program.
No one is safe until everyone is safe. No one country has access to research and development, manufacturing, and all the supply chain for all essential medicines and materials. And if we can work together, we can ensure that all essential workers are protected and proven treatments like dexamethasone are available to those who need them.
The Director General of WHO also pointed out that it was important to prevent vaccine nationalism.
With PPE and tests, a collaboration between the public and private sectors meant supply was increased in order to support fair and equitable use of scarce products. We need to prevent vaccine nationalism. And for this reason, WHO is working with governments and the private sector.
As countries are in a race to develop a vaccine for the invisible virus, WHO fears that there might not be a fair distribution of vaccine among countries. According to WHO, this disparity can be avoided if there is a new framework of guidelines which should be abided by all countries.
Since May, WHO has been in extensive consultations to develop a new framework to guide fair and equitable access to diagnostics, therapeutics, and vaccines for COVID-19 across all countries. These cross-cutting principles are key to the promotion of equitable access and fair allocation of these essential health products for the greatest impact globally.
Tedros Adhanom also said that no one is safe until everyone is safe, and hence countries must put their national interest aside and work for the overall development.